Hi, I'm just shooting a video. I took a Scag gas lawn edger and I converted it to electric. I wanted to do this as a little experiment, so I'll just go over what I did. I have the charging cable here. I'm almost done. I still have a little more work. I have the on-off switch here. I'm going to mount it here, and then I'm also going to put a headlight switch in, but I haven't had time to do that yet. And then I have the wiring run down. I put a grommet into an electrical box, and then I bought a amp flow motor, and it should produce about 2 horsepower electric running at 24 volts, so about 6 horsepower gas from what my understanding is. At first I was going to run it at 36 volts, but then it was just way too fast. The specifications on their website are all listed at 24. So at 24, this is producing, I want to say 52, no, sorry, I can't remember. But I want to say around 5,000 RPM. So it's really powerful, really fast. I don't know yet how long it will last. I screwed up with the charger because I had a 36 volt charger. I was planning on 36 volts the whole time. So now I need to get a different charger. I left additional space so I can pull the power off for the LED headlight I'm going to add, but I got to get a voltage regulator to drop from 24 down to 12. These connectors, I couldn't find any. The wires on the motor are aluminum, and then the wiring for this is all copper, and I used crimp connectors because I was experimenting, and I wanted to disassemble things. I used crimps on all the batteries, but these are actually the waterproof ones, and I was told it's pretty similar to the style using electric when you do electric from copper to aluminum, because it has the grease in it, so you don't get the corrosion. So that's what I actually used. This motor has 4 brushes, 2 at positive, 2 at negative, so that's why you have two red and 2 black off the motor. I know, sorry, the wiring's messy. I was playing around and I have to tidy it up, but I'm going to do that after I get the headlight installed. Then I'm also going to put a battery indicator on it. I'm going to mount it in the cover. I'll put that on in a second. And because here's the shaft where you can mount a RPM sensor. But I figure I can mount a battery gauge right around here. So this is my little experiment, and it's working really good. I'll turn it on. You'll see it's extremely fast. The other thing I didn't know, I did not put any sort of tensioner on the belt. I mounted the motor with a pre-tension. I know the belts give, they'll wear, but I don't know if I'll mount a little spring-loaded tensioner up here or what I'll do yet. I'm still in the prototype phase. But I mounted the motor directly to the box. All the hardware I bought was stainless steel. I have to take it apart, Loctite everything. I was going to wait till it's all set and done before I do that. I have to replace the rubber. Then I'm going to repaint it too. I bought a can of Scag orange paint. And then maybe put a new set of tires on. And then paint the box, of course, too. So, well, let me know what you think. Thanks.